Oh, I forgot what I was going to say, and my voice is going again. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So, it is Christmas in 7 days. Is it 6 days now? No, 7 days. And basically I'm just coming on here to say Merry Christmas to you all. I have run out of time to do any tutorials and stuff. We've all been ill. I don't know if you can tell, I'm still carrying like a little bit of a raspy voice, and I'm a little bit chesty still. But I'm hoping that we'll all be well for Christmas, because I'm not joking. I think my little one has had a cold for like 2.5 weeks now. I'm just so sick of colds, and I don't know, if you live in a cold or cooler country, you'll probably know that winters are just like awful for colds and flus and whatever. But in England, we always seem to be so unlucky with like wet weather. So we don't get like nice snowy frosty winters anymore. We seem to get like cold wet winters that just drag on. Like our garden right now, I'm actually wearing wellies, look. I'm wearing welly boots instead of my normal shoes just to walk to the shed, because our garden is so wet and swamped with water that like my shoes just get absolutely drenched and then I have cold feet. So I was like, right, I'm gonna wear my wellies to the shed today. So I'm sewing in wellies. But yes, I'm just getting a bit like, I'm just a bit over all this like wet, cold, fluey business. But it's Christmas. I'm very excited for Christmas. My little boy is so excited this year, because he's like 19 months now, so he's a little bit more into everything. Although we did visit Father Christmas yesterday and it ended in lots of tears and crying, and we didn't get the cute photo that I thought we were gonna get. Basically, I've just got a few things I need to finish today, hence why I'm in the shed today. I'm not going to film it for you. I'm just finishing off. Do you remember all those bags that I was making for that tutorial for the drawstring bag? That's what I'm finishing, because I still haven't finished them all for the kids, and I still need to personalise them all. So now that mum here, oh, and that's another thing, my mum's been ill, so then she's been here less to look after him, so I haven't been in the shed, and it's just been all like, rah! So I need to finish those today, which I know what I will, because it won't take me long. And then I'm going to take a few weeks off of YouTube just so I can like reset and plan ahead like all the tutorials and stuff that I want to do next year. So if there's anything, I've got a really like, not a long list, but I've got quite a decent list of things that people have requested in the past, and a few of them are quite short things, which I know I'm going to save for like the days or weeks that I'm a bit manic. But if there's anything else that you want me to do tutorials on, or things that you're like, I really struggle with this and no one showed me how to do it. A few things that I've been asked for, things like zips. I haven't actually finished it yet, because I just need more time. But on my website where I sell all my online workshops, I don't know if some of you are on my mailing list, but I did an applique online workshop, which you can buy on there now. There's my other workshops beforehand were all the Vimeo ones. They're still up there if you want to do beginners free motion embroidery, beginner sewing skills. If you're a total beginner and you want like the full comprehensive beginner's guide, that's on there too. And pattern 101. So if you're quite confident in sewing but you've never done dressmaking, that's another great workshop to do. I've now added a perfect applique workshop that's on there, and zips was going to be my next one. And I was really looking forward to doing that, because it's something that's always been highly requested, and it was a really popular workshop that I used to do in the sewing school. So I'm working on that, and I'm basically basing it on my actual in-person class I used to do called Zips 101, where we went through every single type of zip and how to do them, some with lining, some without lining, etc, etc. So that's coming eventually. I'm hoping springtime. So I'm sorry you might have to wait a little bit for that, but there's a lot to film and a lot to organise with that. But if there's anything else that you really want to learn that I can do for free tutorials, shorter things that you're interested in, then please comment below, because I always want to do things that you actually need. So, and basically all the videos that I've ever filmed, apart from if it's like a quick thing where I've had a really hectic week and I'm just going to film something that I happen to be making. All the other tutorials that I've done are things that you've asked for. So I hope that I'm ticking off a few of your like needs there. So please give me some ideas of things that you really want to learn below, and I will add them to my list, and then I can start planning my 2024 YouTube content, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and say Merry Christmas, and I'm going to be off YouTube for 2 or 3 weeks. So you'll only miss 2 or 3 videos, which is, I think, okay. I hope you all have a wonderful festive break with your friends and family, and obviously a happy new year. I love this like sort of transitional time of year. I'm a real like new year new me person, which I know a lot of people don't like, but I love that buzz of like, right. And I am one of those people that after Christmas, once it gets past like the 28th, like on the 28th, I'm like, right, decorations down, let's go. Spring clean, chuck out all the furniture, clean house. That's me, and my other half gets very annoyed by it. But I love it. I love all the like new start fresh. Yes, yes, yes. So I will see you in 2024 for some new YouTube content. And yeah, thank you just for being a real support to me this year. And especially since the sewing school closed, I did struggle a bit with a lot of things, and my mental health wasn't the best, but having a warm welcome back on YouTube certainly helped that, and it just gave me like a sense of purpose again, which I definitely lost when we closed the sewing school. So I appreciate all of you, and thank you for subscribing and liking my videos and commenting. It fills me with so much joy, and yeah, lots more exciting things to come. So Merry Christmas everyone, and happy handmade!